SK Macharia erosechopo kama Maida ineno gi kanye wang jowi mar nyakor mgajuanga gichigni loso koda jofuambo mar mundu miwa winja nena ote mano mar daktari SK Macharia seroke kanyo kadala mano mar Raila Odinga bondo e county Masia tano kanyo kotele gi jotel mopogore wano kanyo mi waneno kanyo governor e county mano ma Homa Bay Gladys Wanga, governor e county Masia mano James Orengo, waneno kanyo jaod bura e county mano ma Kisumo ma bende en nyamin Raila Odinga, bende nyithi Raila bende waneno kanyo Rosemary, Senator Mogwel bende waneno kanyo Ayomo bende ntiere kanyo e kinda jotelo mamoko. Kata na sala okech waneno tipone kanyo en bende waneno tipone ahinya e mbui mopogore kinde ma bende migosi Raila Odinga na tuo kane ntiere e gwenge mag India. Owinjo ne daktari SK Macharia kaka loso.
To see Aida and pat her back and tell her to keep heart. Merely because she has been left by her husband, who is also my brother, my little younger brother. We go back with Raila and Aida during Jaramogi's time. And the last day Jaramogi left Nairobi, we walked through her as his secretary. And I walked him through the stairs of Ajib House. And as I put him in the car, he told me he will come back the following week. We go and see President Moi. He had rang President Moi and told him that he wants an appointment with him and SK. So I walked him downstairs and put him in the car to come to Bodo and come back to Nairobi the following week. As I put him in the car in Nairobi, he told me he has two sons, one called Oburu and one called Laira. And I'm warder of them, of the two of them. I take care of them. So whenever you have been hearing rumors, Kikuyu called SK, even during Matiba's time, that is supporting Raila Odinga or others, during Kebake's time and Uhuru's time, that I'm supporting Odinga, Raila Odinga, is because they are my brothers. They were left for me, and she testifies to that by the father, Odinga. You take heart, Mama. Take heart.
Thank you.
We'll find him there. He's a great man. He was a great man. Just like his father. Like father, like son. He was a great father. For this country, he has given to this country what we don't know. Maybe the history will tell us. But for now, we don't know anybody else who has given that much of his life to this country. Yeah. Let's wait. Those who will be here, like the young Turks, they will tell us when they come to heaven. Mama, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Mama can say something.
I want to thank SK on behalf of the Odinga family. I want to say a big thank you to SK Macharia. Now, the story of the Odingas and SK goes a long way. It started way back in the early 90s, 91, 92, and so forth. And SK has been a close friend of this family. I remember